Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can sign in for Amazon Prime account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, in order to sign in, you need to have an account. Only then you'll be able to sign in. So if you don't have an account, then you need to create one. Only then you'll be able to sign in into Amazon Prime. So since I already have an account, so first thing I want to do is then download Amazon Prime on your device. Installing the application, you'll be taken to the sign in or sign up interface. You can see right on top you have sign in, and right at the bottom there's an option is create a new Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, then you can click on create a new one. All you need to do is you need to enter in your email address or the phone number associated with your Amazon account and a password. So once you've done this, you need to click on sign in, and after that you've successfully signed in into your Amazon account in case you are already logged in. So first thing what you need to do is you need to log out of the current account, and after that you need to sign in with a new account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.